Namaste, Khush Raho Bitiya. I am Jayven Jyoti Kumawat going to deliver a lecture on audio visual ad which is related from the course Pedagogy of Biological Science and for the program BSc B.Ed 6th semester and also for the B.Ed 2nd semester. So you know that in education system this based on the quest like what to teach and how to teach. In this what to teach means learning material and how to teach implies teaching methodology. So our teaching methodology come under the audio visual ad. This also we can define as the quality of education is largely depend upon the quality of teachers and teaching learning resources, and these learning materials are called audio visual ads or instructional materials. Audio literally means hearing and visual means that which is found by seeing. So all such ads which try to make the knowledge clear to us through our sense are called audiovisual ad or instructional materials. Here are some purpose of audiovisual ads which is very simplified presented here. First, motivation. Second, clear image. Third, save energy and time. Fourth, antidote of disease of verbal instructions. Fifth, capture attention. Sixth, reinforcement of to learner. 7, as observe positive transfer of learning. 8, we can see as a gain and hold student interest. 9, increase understanding. 10, stimulate the development of understanding and attitudes. So these basically some purpose of the audiovisual ad. Now you know that what is the need of audiovisual ad, why we need that. So popular saying, there are some quote like I hear, I forget, I see, I remember, I do, I understand means अगर मैं सुनता हूँ तो मैं भूल जाता हूँ, मैं देखता हूँ तो मुझे याद आता है, और अगर मैं उसको करता हूँ अप्लाई करता हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से समझ में आता है. तो ये इस प्रकार से हम उसकी नीड बता सकते हैं ऑडियो विजुअल ऐड की. नाउ पीपल जनरली रिमेंबर इन यू कैन सी इन माई चार्ट दैट्स 10% what they read, 10% people remember what they read, 20% people remember what they hear, 30% people remember what they see, 50% of what they hear and see, 70% of what they say, and 90% of people what they say as they do a thing. In that manner we also can understand the importance of audiovisual ad. Now teaching ad play an important role in teaching learning processes. They are as follows. Some are important points also discussed here. As first, motivation. Teaching ad motivate the students so that they can learn better. Yes. Second, clarification. Through teaching ad, the teacher clarify the subject matter more easily. In third step, discouragement of cramming. Teaching aid can facilitate the proper understanding to the students which discourage the act of cramming. So also we discuss here some points for the important that every individual has the tendency to forget. Proper use of teaching aids helps to retain more concept permanently. Students can learn better when they are motivated properly through different teaching aids. So teaching aids provides complete example for conceptual thinking. Teaching aid create the environment of interest for the students. These also provide direct experience to the students. So here are classification of audio visual ads. They are classified under three categories. First, audio ads, second, visual ads, and third, audio visual ads. Audio ads means that involve the sense of hearing are called audio ads. For example, radio, tape recorder, gramophone, etc. Visual ad classified as the which use sense of vision are called visual ad. For example, actual objects, model, picture, chart, maps, chalkboard, projector, flash, etc. And third, categorized as the audio visual ad. Audio visual ad, these ad which involve the sense of vision as well as hearing are called audio visual ad. For example, TV, film, projector, film, etc. So these are come under these categories, audiovisual ads. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session of audiovisual ad. This digital session powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Digital Version 2. If you have any queries, please mention in comment box. I resolve it in my live session. Thank you.